Choosing the right tools and accessories for your wood lathe is key to achieving great results. In this guide, I'll cover the essentials for turning your wood projects into works of art. Key lathe tools include roughing gouges for shaping, spindle gouges for fine detailing, and bowl gouges for creating curved surfaces. Parting tools and skew chisels are also vital for precision and smooth finishes. Chucks and faceplates. Scroll chucks provide adjustable grips for holding wood pieces, while faceplates are used for securing larger projects, especially bowls. Both are essential for stability and accuracy during turning. Sanding and finishing tools. Sanding mandrels allow you to smooth your workpiece while it's turning. Flannel pads help with polishing and burnishing tools at a final sheen, giving your projects a professional finish. Lathe tool rest and support. A sturdy tool rest is crucial for supporting your tools and ensuring smooth cuts. A swing-away tool rest adds flexibility, making it easier to access different parts of your project. Safety accessories. Protective gear like a face shield and a dust collection system keeps you safe from debris and airborne particles. Gloves also offer protection, especially when handling sharp tools. Lathe extensions and upgrades. Bed extensions increase your lathe's capacity for longer pieces, while tailstock extensions offer more support for larger projects. Motor upgrades can improve performance for demanding tasks. Tailstock accessories. Live centers are essential for stabilizing the workpiece, while drill chucks let you drill holes into your project while it's on the lathe, expanding your project possibilities. Organization and storage accessories. Tool racks and portable tool caddies keep your lathe tools organized and easily accessible, helping you maintain a tidy workspace and efficient workflow. Wood turning project kits and blanks. Pin turning kits come with all the necessary parts to create custom pins. Bowl and box blanks are pre-cut wood pieces, saving time and allowing you to focus on the turning process. Maintenance tools. Lubricate your lathe bed regularly with lathe oil to maintain smooth operation. Tool sharpening kits help keep your tools in optimal condition for precise and efficient wood turning. The right tools and accessories make all the difference in wood turning. Choose wisely to ensure safety, precision, and long-term success in your projects.